The Deputy Vice Chancellor, Academic, the Chairman, Senate Committee on Curriculum, other members and dignitaries on the head table, with due respect to the Executive Director, African Technology Policy Studies Network, ATPS, Nairobi, the Program Officer, the Open Society Foundation, distinguished deans, heads of departments, academics, lions and lionesses. It is with great pleasure that I come here on behalf of the African Institute for Applied Economics to express our association with this very laudable program, the transdisciplinary program on climate change adaptation being implemented by the University of Nigeria. The first thing that I want to do is to congratulate the University of Nigeria on this particular program. We are very much aware that the University of Nigeria is one of the very few universities in Africa that has been selected to implement this program. And I think this is a very vivid recognition of the important role of the university and the global recognition that the university has, not just in Africa but all over the world. It is particularly of great delight that this program is being flagged off today by this Inception conference. At the African Institute for Applied Economics, we have great regards for issues of the environment. And in fact, one of our research thematic areas is on the environment with great connection to climate change. So we believe that this climate change adaptation capacity building program is an idea whose time has come. And that is why we are very pleased to associate with this program. We also recognize that the starting point for capability building is science. It's science to produce the knowledge, the ideas, to produce the innovations and the technologies that will become the tools for mitigation and adaptation to climate change. And this definitely would have to be complemented with education and training for the purpose of transmitting skills and building attitudes that will promote the objectives of climate change adaptation. This definitely represents the overall thrust of this program, which is being implemented today by the University of Nigeria among very few universities in Africa. The African Institute for Applied Economics recognizes great opportunities for collaboration with the University of Nigeria on this program. Because at the heart of this program is what is known as the Science Policy Practice Interface. Because eventually, science efforts to transmit the products of science and to utilize the product of science. And that we see as a very big challenge, a very big element of this program that will require important collaboration with outreach agencies and agencies that have capabilities for relating and engaging with the organized private sector and the civil society, and also with public policy. The assurance that I bring from Africanism for Applied Economies is that we shall continue to partner and engage with the University of Nigeria, not just in this climate change adaptation program, but also in other programs. We have been doing so. We have done so with the Southeast Nigeria Economic Commission initiative. We are doing so with the program on linking research with industry in Nigeria. And this is about the third leg of our engagement and collaboration with the University of Nigeria. We are very confident that this program will run successfully to its end. And not just that, that it is going to be the foundation for building the University of Nigeria as a member of the global network of agencies and institutions that are conducting activities in the area of climate change adaptation and mitigation. The Deputy Vice Chancellor, distinguished dignitaries, deans of faculties, heads of departments, we are very grateful for this opportunity to be associated with this program, and we look forward to a very fruitful and effective collaboration with the University of Nigeria as a building block for future endeavors that will bring about a better climate, a better environment, and a better world, in line with the motto of the University of Nigeria, which is to restore the dignity of man. Thank you.